You're welcome once again to this channel and thank you for choosing this video. So today we are going to look at how to book IELTS exams or how to register for IELTS exams yourself using your mobile phone. So you'll be using the britishcouncil.org.gh/IELTS registration. So the moment you get to the website, this is what you are going to see. At the first page, you'll be able to see more information about IELTS. So all I'd have to do is to take your time and go through everything about IELTS that they have explained it here. So personal study plans, then a lot of things. So you just have to take your time, read the information. Please take your time and read. So we have here to be why choose IELTS Ready Premium, trusted by thousands for IELTS success. So if you choose this, they are saying that it's being trusted by 1,000 people for success. Okay, so you can see other things here: tips to prepare for examination session of IELTS, then achieve IELTS success with IELTS Ready Premium, 5 key features. So there are a lot of information that you'll be able to get from this site. All what I have to do is just take your time and read. Please take your time and read. Okay, then after you are done reading, all what I have to do all what you have to do is to just click on book your IELTS test. Okay, so you click on book your IELTS test, and then it will take you to this place where you see choose your IELTS test. Which test best would you like to take? So the first one is IELTS academic. That is, take this test if you want to study at undergraduate or postgraduate level or join a professional organization anywhere in the world. So you can take that test. And option two is IELTS general training. Take this test if you want to study at below degree level or work anywhere in the world. You can also take that option two, that's test there. And the next test is what IELTS for UK visa. So IELTS for UK visa, UK government approves secure English language test for those who need to work, spouse visa, or who are planning to study course below degree level or at a UK institution not recognized by UKVI. So you can also take that test. So it depends on the type of visa that you're looking for. That will determine the type of IELTS that you write. So for the purpose of this video, let's take the second option, that is IELTS General. So the moment you click that, you see here to be where will you like to take your test. I'm in Ghana. Here it has been already selected Ghana. So what I have to do is to select the center where I want to take my test. We have Accra, we have different centers there, so I will choose Accra. And then if you choose Accra, you'll be able to see where would you like to take your test. I've chosen Accra. Then the first one you have here, I have accessibility needs for the test. So if you want to make your own arrangement, so which special arrangement do you need on the test day? So you can state it there if you want to make any special arrangement. Okay, but if in case you don't have any special arrangement, you just uncheck that box. And then which format IELTS text would you like to take? So we have three options. The first one, IELTS on computer, okay, and then IELTS on paper. So I will go in for IELTS on paper, and then you just have to scroll down. When will you like to take the test? So you indicate the time that you want to take the test, okay, and then you can let them show you the date. Okay, so they will show you the date by you click on search for test, and you'll be able to see the test available and then the date assigned to that particular test. So as you can see, I have listing reading, writing, IELTS test, which is 23rd March 2024, 9 a.m. to 11:45 a.m. And then we have speaking test, which is also on 21st March 2024, 11:20 to 1140. So these are the different types of text that is being going to written on this day. And then if you see here, we have another one which is Accra, and then the amount that we are going to pay, we have here to be held 3,200. And if you're interested to book that particular test, all what I have to do is to tap on book test. That's what I circle that, and then you will be able to pay with your Visa card. Please note, you can only pay with your bank card. You can pay with your Momo account. So that's how you'll be able to book or register for IELTS test. If you're in Ghana, if you're in Nigeria, you can follow the same process. It doesn't matter your area or the country you are, just follow the same process to register. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye.